Hello, people of the internet.
This is like a horror game.
Yeah,
As Adam stated, this is like a horror game.
Yep, we are exploring the woods down here, and we found perfectly chopped up wood.
And he's recording because if somehow we die by Slenderman, we at least have evidence that it does exist.
If Slenderman was here, then we'd see the notes. But first off, if you look at every single tree around here, they're nothing like those trees. And those trees form a perfect circle. It's terrifying. Send help. I am scared. No, but, I mean, it's just really creepy. They form a perfect circle. Finger out in the way. I don't even get it. It's just, they form a really awkward circle. It's very creepy. I'm gonna zoom in. I mean, look at that. I know you guys will explain it by science, but it's just creepy. Although I do like the way the sun hits them at the top. It makes them look pretty good.
Or they could be just artificially grown. It could be like a big campfire or bonfire or something they used to use. Now they don't.
Do you know how many times I've been down to that house?
No.
Those trees weren't there.
Probably artificially grown.
Yeah, either they're artificially grown or they've just been there and I never noticed them. But I know for sure they don't use those for bonfires.
Or the Illuminati.
Let's go. I don't want people giving me hate comments about the Illuminati. Plus, I don't want the Illuminati killing me in my sleep.
If any means they kill me.
How do you know that, Chris?
Science!
Give it to me. I will defend us if something happens.
Okay.
Really? Come on, man. If something happens, I'll defend us with this beautiful stick.
I get this.
No.
Yes.
Fine
I
then.
get this.
It's not sturdy.
I'll do it with a strong
Hey, you know what?
Oh.
Use these.
Nope.
Nice going. You made this forest angry. You know what'd be really terrifying?
What?
If we just found this abandoned house made of candy.
That'd be awesome, but I wouldn't eat any.
Oh yeah, I'd run.
I would casually walk if there's nothing coming towards us. But if we see any sort of hint that there's something in there, I am running.
But what the? Yeah. Perfectly chopped wood. Perfectly chopped.
Maybe somebody does really use the campfires.
Well, I'm sure they do, but they're over there, I'm sure.
It's like an arch. It's a semi-arch.
Huh. That's pretty
I
cool.
know where it comes from.
It's pretty nice. What is that?
What?
That's like...
That brown thing?
Yeah, it's over there.
That's like a tomato sauce.
Well, why would that be down here?
People probably camped out here. Who knows?
Oh yeah, I'm sure this place used to be a camping grounds or something.
Yeah, you can have that little snake. I'm having this one.
It's attached to the tree and it's a vine.
Never mind.
Nice going.
It doesn't last 6 seconds though.
I get that.
I have one and I have 200 followers on it. Well, almost 200 now.
Yeah, follow our
And
vines.
fastly approaching. Christopher Jet and Sharkbait.
Yep, I'm Sharkbait, guys. Sharkbait, hoo-ha!
I get this.
Yeah, sure. I'm a blind man. Ow. pretty nice place, actually. By the way, I said that Terraria playthrough was coming. It is. It is coming. I've just gotta record it. Haven't found time. Anyhow, it's the weekend for us.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend.
We had a half day yesterday.
He just stops as soon as he sees the camera. So yeah, we're just exploring.
Look how high the tree tops.
Whoa. Oh yeah. So me and him didn't know 3D and 360 videos were on YouTube. Yeah, we didn't know those existed.
Or he didn't know. I the one that mentioned that 3D videos existed. Not 360 though. I didn't even know about 360.
No, you didn't know about 3D. You told me about 360.
I told you about 3D. I didn't know about 360.
Oh, well, we both learned something.
We learned that I'm right and you're wrong.
Do you want me to smack you in the head?
You're right in many ways, though.
You're right in many ways, though. Yes, stroke of the ego.
Oh, no, I'm just saying that so we wouldn't hit you with a stick. Okay.
Block. Yeah. I won. Come on.
Steven Universe episode Thursday?
No, I did not.
Holy crap, I love it.
What was it about, Chris?
Well,
Hold on. Warning, spoilers. Please pause the video now.
or go to this time link. Well. So do you want to tell me an entire episode, or?
How about the basis of the plot?
Oh.
Like the big things.
Third, I accidentally hurt Samus's feelings. And they get a drill head.
What?
You want me to tell you how she hurts Samus's feelings?
Yeah, come on, continue.
Well, she mentions that Amethyst is probably the only one that should command the crystal gems, because she's the only natural gem. She thinks that pearl is just a pearl. She's just used for decoration. And she thinks that garnet is a fusion. And she thinks that fusion shouldn't be leaders. And so and she said, "Oh, you should be the leader of the crystal gems, even though you're defective."
Oh,
You
jeez.
wanna know how she's defective? She's not as big as the other amethysts that were made in the kindergarten. Just watch it. The episode's called Too Far.
Okay. Well, don't hit me in the face there. Yeah, let's get rid of those sticks and venture out this way.
So, you want to tell me? Yeah, do you want me to tell you my favorite part about your episode?
Well, that was a short adventure.
I'm guessing that's a no.
Yeah, sure.
Well, Peridot says, Peridot says to Garnet, "Would you mind infusing? It's really bothering me." Garnet looks at her and ties her to the fence. She went through with Pearl's idea.
Yeah. Look at that beauty. Majestic whale noise. Majestic whale noises. My friend Anthony. You know Anthony, right?
Yeah.
So he said that whenever I did this face, refer to what was before, he said that he was gonna put that on the picture of a whale saying "believe" at the bottom. My face on a whale with "believe" at the bottom. Meme. I would love to see that actually used. It's time for your ritual, Chris. Are you ready?
Kinda.
Okay, say the oath.
I don't know it.
That is a disgrace. No! It's may the blood moon rise, may the killers fail, may us live with our God's tale. No! You say it! That was not it! Say it! Say it and let us commence the seance. I will kill you!
I can do whatever I want.
Oh, he said no. Do it! Do it!
I don't remember what you said.
May the blood moon... May the blood moon rise! May the blood moon rise and let the killers fail. May we live in our gods of Dale.
May the blood oath of the moon.
May the blood moon rise.
May the blue moon rise.
May the blood moon rise.
May the cold moon rise.
May the blood moon rise.
May the blood moon rise.
Let the killers fail.
Let the killers prevail.
Let the killers fail.
Let the killers wail.
Let the killers fail.
Let the killers fail.
And let us live in our gods of Ale.
And let us live in our gods of Yale.
Our gods of Ale.
Our gods of shale.
Our gods of Vale.
Our gods of failure.
Our gods of Vale.
Our gods of dog.
Our gods of Vale. You know what? You don't even deserve to know about this cult.
Yeah.
It was gonna give you rainbow cookies and make you put into Steven Universe's world.
I love to make paradise.
Well, too bad you didn't say the seance right. We would have had the Nyan Cat ice cream cookies.
You just have to do the monkey dance?
And that's fresh death.
Smell that? Smell that?
Smell that, boys?
Smell-
It's freedom.
Smells like dookie.
No. Does freedom smell like dookie? That used to be a beautiful freaking pond. Now it's a freaking sewage area.
Thanks, government.
Stupid government.
Thanks, Obama.
Anyhow, that's all we have for this episode. So please, like, comment, subscribe, and do a little monkey dance.
Whoa.
Yeah, goodbye.